All right, bestie, today let's make something super quick. This is the chicken pilau that I just got home and I was like, what do I cook? Checked my fridge and there was only 3 drumsticks of chicken. Of course, I'm always with rice and onions. So I was like, yeah, let's go. Started off by heating some oil on the pan, added some onions. When they browned, I added in some cumin seeds, sauteed them around, and then I introduced the chicken. The oil was, of course, super hot. So I started by sealing it up. The chicken is not seasoned at all. It's just supposed to go in there, absorb the flavors of the spices, the onions, take shape. And yeah, in case you're new here, my name is Rita and I'm the cooking nurse. So please take this time as I add in my garlic to subscribe and join this family. We are fun here. We are human. So yeah, sometimes it's always fun, I can promise. Anyway, the chicken has browned and I've gone in with my pilau masala. This is an already blended group of spices that make this masala. So you want to toss it in until all the chicken is coated and the oil, of course, gets infused with the spice. And then I'm going to add in a dash of water. One, it's going to help me with the smoke, so it's going to control how much smoke is coming from the burning onions. And then it's also going to rehydrate the onions, which is going to make them easy to reabsorb into the rice. Like at the end, you will not be able to see a lot of onions floating on top that are really hard and burnt. So that is why this stage is really important. And this was such a quick meal, by the way. So here I'm going to go in with my salt, and then I'm going to go again with rice. I'm using 1 cup. So you want to first toss this in, coat the grains with that oil and spices. It's going to help you with the grains being able to separate once cooked. So yeah, it's such a quick meal, for real. So after that, I added in a little bit of more salt, and then I'm going in with water. If you have stock, it can be vegetable stock, it can be chicken stock, or any stock that you have, really, go on ahead and use it. It elevates the flavor. And then mix properly. Then we are going to add in some cardamom pods. They really elevate the flavor. Also, that's the reason I added in some cumin, because if they are fresh, and ground, they tend to bring in more character. So it's boiling now. I'm going to go on ahead and fluff it up to loosen up the base of the pan so the grains do not get stuck there. I will also reduce the heat after this stir and then cover again. This pan is cast iron, so kind of holds the heat, so I don't have to use a lot of heat. Now all the water is evaporated or maybe absorbed. I'm going to go in with my fresh coriander leaves as a must to show, like, I was serious. I was serious in making this meal. But anyway, that was it. Served it with kachumbari and a lime and was good.